The Philippine Air Force is at a turning point. With its aging trainer fleet nearing retirement, the need for a modern, efficient training aircraft is more urgent than ever. Enter the L-39 Skyfox from the Czech Republic, a next-generation trainer jet being proposed as the perfect successor to the aging AS-211s. With the recent visit of Czech Ambassador Karel Hejč, defense cooperation is heating up. Could this be the beginning of a major upgrade in the PAF's training capability? In a recent visit to the Philippines, Ambassador Karel Hejč of the Czech Republic met with defense officials to discuss deeper cooperation between the two countries. While the Czech Republic has long been known for its aerospace expertise, this meeting may begin a new chapter in Philippine defense modernization. One key topic under discussion is the Aero L-39 Skyfox, a modern multi-role trainer jet that the Czech government is promoting to replace the Philippine Air Force's AS-211s. The SIAI-Marchetti AS-211, a modified version of the Italian S-211, has served the Philippine Air Force for over 3 decades. Originally acquired in the 1990s, these jets have been used primarily for pilot training and light combat roles. But the airframes are now aging, maintenance is costly, and avionics are outdated. As the Air Force expands its capabilities, especially with the addition of more F/A-50PH fighters, the demand for a modern lead-in fighter trainer becomes even more pressing. The Aero L-39 Skyfox is a 21st-century evolution of the popular L-39 Albatros, a trainer used by over 30 air forces worldwide. But this isn't your average trainer. The Skyfox variant offers a full-glass cockpit with modern avionics and composite airframe materials for reduced weight and better durability, an integrated virtual training system for pilot simulation, and compatibility with live weapons, making it ideal for light combat and reconnaissance. One of the most attractive features of the Skyfox is its cost efficiency. While modern trainers like the T-50 or M346 offer advanced features, they also come with steep price tags. The L-39 Skyfox offers an affordable middle ground, lower operational costs, and simplified logistics and maintenance, and training to combat transition capability. This makes it a smart investment for the PAF, which must balance performance with fiscal responsibility. Recently, the Philippines signed a deal to acquire 12 more F/A-50PH Block 70 aircraft from South Korea. These upgraded light fighters will serve as the backbone of the PAF's tactical air fleet. To maximize these new assets, the Air Force needs a training aircraft that can bridge the gap between basic flight training and frontline fighters. The Skyfox is built for exactly that. It can simulate high-speed combat conditions and prepare pilots for the supersonic performance of the F/A-50PH, making it the ideal companion platform. While the Skyfox is a strong contender, it's not the only one. Other options being considered include the T-50 Golden Eagle from South Korea, a more powerful fighter-grade trainer, the M346 Master from Italy, advanced but significantly more expensive. But with its low cost, modern features, and versatile roles, the L-39 Skyfox presents a well-balanced solution that aligns with the current needs of the PAF, especially if partnered with long-term Czech support and technology transfer. With the AS-211s nearing retirement, the L-39 Skyfox offers a modern, cost-effective, and combat-ready replacement that fits perfectly into the Air Force's evolving mission. As Czech-Philippine defense talks continue, one thing is clear: the future of pilot training is about to take flight. What do you think? Should the Philippine Air Force go with the Skyfox? Or are there better options on the table? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Philippine defense and modernization efforts. This is your frontline source for military analysis. See you in the next video.